Hello, and welcome to the first of a new series of videos, and that we're going to share with you, talking about the major trend that is happening of digitalization. Now, what kind of challenge? While digitalization in itself is a great thing and provides so many new opportunities for, leapfrogging the growth. So, what are the? But it is full of challenges. So, let's look at what are some of these challenges. Starting with this first video, the first challenge, and what can you do about it? So, the first challenge when you digitalize your operations, your company, your business, is integration with legacy system. You have some systems that are the legacies from the past, right? You have had some systems, some standalone system, a computer system, an ERP, or whatever. Now, these may not be compatible with the modern digital technologies. So, you need to, as you digitalize, you need to think through of whether your current systems are compatible, to what extent are they compatible, to what extent they are not compatible with the modern digital technologies, and how can you integrate these legacy system with the digital technologies, which can be complex and costly. So let's look at few things that you can do that can help you integrate your legacy systems with the digitalization or new digital framework that you will implement. The first thing you need to do is to do an assessment and documentation. So begin by thoroughly assessing your current legacy system, document their functionalities, dependencies, data structures, and interfaces. Now, this will help in understanding the scope of integration and the potential challenges that you might face. Then you need to clearly define the goals you want to achieve through integration of your legacy system with the new digital world that you want to implement. Now, it could be improving efficiency, it could be reducing cost, it could be enhancing customer service, or all of the above, or some of them above. Now, having these specific objectives will certainly guide your integration efforts in the right direction. Having defined the integration goal, what you need to do is to then prioritize system. Why? Because not all legacy systems may need immediate integration. Some may be happy to, you may be happy, the users may be happy to let them work on standalone. So prioritize based on factors like business impact, technical feasibility, and the return on investment that you will get by integrating them. Start with the systems that offer a highest value or pose a greatest risk if they are not integrated or changed with the new system. Then you need to choose the integration approach. How are you going to integrate? You need to think through with the implementation team. Now, depending on the systems involved, choose the most suitable integration approach. This could be through APIs, middleware, data migration, or a combination of these. Now, in that, you need to consider factors like scalability. How scalable is that approach going to be for your future requirement, the security offered, and the compatibility with existing infrastructure. If feasible, expose functionality of legacy systems through APIs. This allows for easier integration with modern application and reduces the need for extensive changes in the legacy database. Then you need to look at data migration and transformation. Legacy systems often use outdated data formats and structures because they are legacy, they are from the past, and those things may have become outdated by now. So you need to plan to migrate the data and transform this data to ensure compatibility with the modern systems. Data cleansing and validation are generally very crucial to maintain data integrity during the migration process. Middleware integration is complex and not feasible wherever. In cases that happens, consider using middleware solutions. These act as intermediaries, facilitating communication between legacy and modern system while abstracting complexities. Having done the integration, you need to then rigorously test and validate the integration systems the integrated systems to ensure functionality, performance, and security. And you can conduct through validation, thorough validation to verify whether the data is accurate when transferred between the systems and business processes are functioning as expected. Because ultimately, that is the purpose, right? Then you need to prepare employees for the change introduced by the system integration or offer the training programs to familiarize them with the new workflows and tools. Now, if you do this change management effectively, this can help you minimize resistance and ensure smoother adoption. Finally, you start continuous monitoring, which is essential for post integration to identify and address any issues quickly. Establish maintenance procedures that will help you keep the integrated systems updated, secure, and aligned with the evolving business needs. Integration is an ongoing process, so gather feedback from users and stakeholders to identify areas of improvement. Continuously refine and optimize the integrated systems to maximize their value for the organization. So these are few ways that we thought we will share with you to ensure the integration of your legacy system while you digitalize or digitally transform your company, and that's one of the challenges. We have more challenges that you might face during the digitalization process, and what can you do about it? We will talk to you in a next lecture that will come up shortly.